Hello and welcome to the final tutorial for the Lightbox-av software by Blackbox-av. In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at the skin customization options available for the Lightbox viewer. First things first, we need to open the Lightbox Manager. Now we'll look towards the menu icons on the left of the window. We'll be opening the skin menu today. As the menu opens, you will notice that there are numerous skin customization options available, with descriptions of each option included on the right hand side of the window. First of all, you'll notice that the Blackbox-av logo is set as default. You are free to change this as you see fit. To do so, press the Remove Logo button to remove it, or the Replace Logo button, which will open a dialog box allowing you to navigate to and upload your preferred logo. Next up, there is a text box next to the website option. This will allow you to enter your website address, which will be displayed beneath your chosen logo within the viewer. Once clicked, the address will open via the built-in web browser if you have purchased this feature. Now we are able to alter the background image. There are two options available to us here. We can set our background to the default one provided with the software, or we can select our own from any of the images uploaded into the content library. To upload a background into the content library, please refer to the tutorial 2 in this series. The next customization options available are for the attractor. The attractor is the welcome screen displayed when starting the viewer or once the viewer has been idle for some time. Firstly, we can edit the images that are displayed here. You are free to set as many as you want. This is done by selecting or unselecting the images from the library. We are also able to edit the message displayed beneath the attractor. In this case, we'll leave it as is. Finally, we have the navigation and layout options. The navigation style provides two options for the overall layout of the viewer. These are single screen and split screen. We'll set it to split screen for now to showcase a difference in layout. Next is the layout of the library items. The options are tiles, film strip, and flow. Again, we will set it to tiles to showcase the difference. Finally, you can choose which side of the screen the close button will display. This is just to avoid confusion with other close buttons within the viewer. We will leave this as it is for now. Once you are finished, you can either save your changes or discard them. We will click Save. Now we're going to minimize the manager and open the viewer. Remember, don't close the manager, otherwise the viewer will not update properly. The first load will take some time after making changes, so I'll skip ahead for convenience. Here, we are greeted by the attractor that was mentioned earlier. As you can see, this will scroll through the images we selected in the skin menu. As you should be able to see, the categories are displayed on the left as we chose the split screen layout, with the content displayed on the right in the tile format. Clicking on one of the images will display the image, along with a description with a scroll bar if it is long enough. The close button is situated on the right as selected. Now, we'll close the viewer by pressing Alt and F4 and reopen the manager from the taskbar. We're going to scroll down to the layout settings to showcase the other options available. First, we'll set the navigation style to single screen and change the library layout to film strip. Go ahead and save the changes. Again, we will minimize the manager and open up the viewer. As you'll be able to see, the layout has changed with the categories displayed on the right, leaving space for a message in the left bar. Clicking a category will open all the content for that category in the film strip format along the bottom. We can click the Expand button to enlarge the image and caption, with the Close button again in the top right. Before we finish, here's an example of the flow layout. That concludes this Blackbox-av tutorial for the Lightbox-2 skin settings. Thanks very much for watching. If you would like to see more tutorials, continue watching or visit our channel.